Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to center the text on your sync from the first page is vertically or horizontally on the page center of your document in Microsoft Office Word Web. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to center the project name in the center of the page vertically or horizontally in your page. So first I just going to minimize this. So you just need to center of the page. So just go to the, if you want to center, you just want to click on the spacing and the backward option and just you want to align that center. It's easier thing actually. Just click on the table, click on only one cell, 1 into 1, and you just need to increase the like this, and just cut this. Sorry, first you cut the topic and paste inside the table. Okay, now you just increase the table size to the maximum like this. Adjust the table. After adjusting the table, you have option for table layout option here. Click this and you just want to center align the table. So now the topic has been centrally aligned to the entire table. So entire table, the topic was centrally aligned, and you just need to click on the table design. Now you just need to click on the border color and change to white. Now you can see the project name at the first page of the document will be centrally aligned. So how to make it on vertical portion? Just need to click on the insert option, click on the drawing, and make a text box like a horizontally, and type your project name. So you just need to rotate this how you want, then click on save close. Now it's automatically it will be center like this. For an example, I'm just showing here, so you can use these options too. So I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. If you want more content about Microsoft Office Word Web, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.